I'd like to introduce the benefits of nature walks for mental and physical well being and how it does relate to successful leadership. Effective stress management, such as spending time with nature, is essential in optimizing health and wellness, both mentally and physically. Stress is a biological response to a perceived threat that involves hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is a stress hormone. Excess adrenaline, an adrenaline rush, can create anxiousness and nervousness. Elevated cortisol can cause us to become irritable, tired, and have difficulty concentrating. According to the National Institute of Health, clinical research studies do show that nature walks effectively improve mental health, positively impacting both depression and anxiety. So, what does that mean for our leaders? Be it corporate CEOs, leaders of governance, or simply leaders of our families. Yes, you, mom and dad. In order to operate optimally in a leadership role, it is of key importance to spend time with nature daily. Other benefits of nature walks? Well, they include improved breathing and is found to lower your risk of respiratory problems. Better sleep improves both your ability to fall asleep as well as your ability to stay asleep. Improves emotions, well being, such as better mood and lessens fatigue, and boosts our immunity. Nature walks. Let's discuss some common challenges faced by CEOs in high stressed environments and the need for this effective coping mechanisms that they must learn about. According to the Harvard Business Review, the most common daily concerns of CEOs, they fell into three main categories: talent, operating in a global marketplace, and regulation and legislation. Managing people is perhaps one of the most challenging aspects of being a chief executive officer. Making difficult personnel decisions such as layoffs or promotion can be emotionally taxing. These decisions not only impact the individuals involved, but can also affect the entire corporation at large. So, given that CEOs set the tone and select priorities for their organizations, it is important to understand what they interpret as the major challenges and opportunities. So let's take a look at the scientific evidence behind the benefits of the nature walks, including reduced stress levels, and improved creativity. A systematic review and meta analysis of nature walks as an intervention for anxiety and depression. National Library of Medicine Division of the National Institute of Health, National Center of Biotechnology information. Scientific research has widely examined the therapeutic and health benefits of being in contact with natural environments. Depression and anxiety are common mental health issues experienced by individuals across the globe on a daily basis. And nature has often been shown to improve psychological well-being. The time spent in contact with the nature, performing physical activities such as walking or yoga, has especially been examined to determine the effectiveness of nature based exercises as a form of therapeutic intervention for the promotion of mental health. The possibility of using low intensity physical activity in nature, such as walking in natural settings, to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety has recently attracted the attention of the research community. During the last decade, several scientific experiments empirically examined the effect of these nature walks on anxiety and depression. Low intensity physical activity has the advantage of being widely accessible even to disadvantaged portions of the population, such as the elderly, and therefore may constitute a highly inclusive type of nature based therapy for mental health promotion. I'll highlight some specific examples of CEOs who credit nature walks for their success and how it positively impacts their decision making capabilities. Leading by example, former National Geographic CEO John Fahey regularly invited his employees to join him on a daily afternoon bike ride. Lou Gerstner clearly professes in his book, Who Says Elephants Can't Dance? Fantastic business book, how his long nature walks were mind clearing and effectively paved his way to a successful turnaround of IBM in the 1990s. I will summarize key takeaways as why nature walks are crucial for CEOs and how it can enhance overall leadership skills by harmonizing with nature and incorporating nature walks into our daily lives. It improves our mental health and promotes better decision making. I'd like to encourage viewers to try to share their own thoughts on nature walks and to subscribe for more content on personal development and leadership. I'm Dr. Liz Perry, Doctor of Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine. I focus on internal medicine, and our health, wellness, and quality of life is what our channel is all about. I'm also the proud author of Live Longer and Eat Better, co-authored with me by a scholar from North China who is an expert in traditional Chinese medical theory and food therapy and how it can optimize mind-clearing quality of life, which is a good part of nature walks. So thank you so much for joining us today, and please to be sure to comment below how your nature walks are helping you. And if you are like this and you're new to our channel, please feel free to subscribe and give us a thumbs up so that we can keep these wellness tips coming your way. And jusqu'à demain.